In this video, we are presenting about environment of Sangkai River.
We are here to point out about some problems and share some solutions that will make our environment better.
Sangkai River is a very nice river in Battambang city. And long time ago, in the previous time, all people in Battambang, they know that Sangkai River is a very nice river that runs from Spailan city to the Tunle Sap. And in the previous time, this river was very nice because of the tree around the river. It stay in the bank of the river also.
From old bridge to new bridge, we noticed that the most common problem is garbage, like we saw in this video. People who travel along the river litter the garbage everywhere. They are sometimes careless throw the rubbish, such as bottles and backpack into the river.
When I think of Sangkai River, I automatically think of Battambang, which makes this river the representative of the city. It is a really important factor. Why is it important? Because Sangkai River is the main source of water for Battambang people, and it is also the beauty of the city. Many people can make business out of this river, such as plants, fisheries, and boating. However, nowadays it is not as beautiful as it used to be due to the waste pollution, chemical substances, cut down of trees, and more. These factors have some major impacts to the river. It affects the plants, fishery, level of water, and the surrounding environment. For example, when the water is full of chemical substances, the landside or soil will absorb it. That will make the plants full of chemical toxics. So when the farmers sell those plants, it will affect the consumer's health badly. By throwing trash and other sewage water in there, making the river unclean, it is the same as destroying the image of the city.
With this problem, we can take public announcement by setting the policy of reduction, reuse, and recycle. In this way, we can put the garbage bin along the river everywhere. Also, we can put the trash bin with slogans say to protect the environment. In addition, we need to separate the garbages, which some of them can recycle, such as bottles, cans, plastics, etc., and turn them into the raw materials. We ensure that the budgets and staff to execute the program above are sufficient. Moreover, we provide them incentives to encourage the staff to participate effectively in the waste reduction and recycling program. For example, we hire 2 to 3 people for cleaning the garbage in Sangkai River. We demand them to clean everywhere, and we promise to provide them an amount of money. Also, when they do this job well, we provide them the reward or bonus. In other way, the money we provide them is from the fine of the people who threw the garbages. For chemical substance and waste from the hospital to the river, we can stop the hospital in blowing the rest like blood or other materials which destroy the water.
So we listen to Chiu's solution idea about waste in water. Now I want to add more solutions about other things that pollute water, such as fuel and chemical substance. The first solution I'm gonna talk is fuel. We have many solutions. One thing we have to do is that we should give suggestions to the government to think about the oil spills and stop letting so much oil get into the water. Furthermore, they should reduce the amount of petroleum pollution getting into waterways. Moreover, we can make one group to educate people about disadvantages of pollution by oil, especially people that live on the water that we call a floating village.
If we follow these solutions, we will gain many benefits from the river.
It will improve the beauty of the river and its surroundings, which will attract the tourists.
It will protect the health of the people.
We can also preserve the fisheries.
Environment is the common issue that most countries are concerned about. People awareness is needed. We all have to be aware about this and know how to protect our environment. Healthy environment is worth a fortune. It requires the healthy and comfortable surrounding for our people and for our next generation.
Students are involved in environmental study in school. They have to keep the environment clean.
They have to clean the classroom and start picking up the classes. Also, they have to join the community activity.
Family has to help keep and control waste, and they shouldn't throw waste in the public. They should sort waste.
For other business, waste control is very important for the business owner. They are allowed to dump waste into the river.
Government has to start taking action and strengthen the law for environment protection. A strong punishment is essential.
Respect the nature, save our planet.
but nowadays the but
It will beauty.
Family has to help.
We can also preserve the fisheries. If we follow this, don't it?
Save our planet.
Hello, we are a group of students from PG.